a box spanner, as you've just seen. This is one I've just modified. Usually you use a bar in this lovely little hole here and tighten up your bearing, adjust it however you like. However, if you've been given a torque wrench setting, how can you set the setting without a torque wrench? What we do in the trade is weld a bar in and then weld a socket onto the top of it. Easy. Then you can either ratchet it up rather quickly, you don't use air guns on hub sockets, and then set your final torque. That is as easy as that.